anything that you would change about yourself, it doesn't have to be drastic. Maybe your hair color, your height, your study habits, your abilities in a certain subject like math or art. In our culture, there is strong evidence supporting the desire to change ourselves as seen in the things such as hair dye, colored contacts, plastic surgery, and self-help books. What if I say that there's a way to permanently change someone? Gene therapy is a scientific technique that corrects faulty genes to cure genetic diseases. In the process of gene therapy, a virus is modified to be a carrier of normal genes that attacks non-functional genes. Gene therapy is a controversial topic because while it may have some benefits, like curing genetic disorders, the negative issues, such as the development of fatal illnesses in the patients treated, the adverse effects of social engineering, and the undesirable political implications outweigh that positive. Some people that support gene therapy might say that it is the only cure for genetic diseases, but gene therapy is not proven to be a successful treatment in human beings because the process results in death more often than not. The medical risks that accompany the treatment are an obvious downside to gene therapy. The mortality rate is due to the fact that the only way for scientists to successfully replace non-functional genes within a person's DNA is to engineer a virus to bombard cells within normal genes. The virus is an unsafe practice because it affects all cells, which includes dormant cancer cells. An example of the dangers of gene therapy are seen through a clinical study done in France, in which 2 children that were successfully treated for the bubble baby disorder passed away from leukemia that was a result of gene therapy. Another factor that portrays the defectiveness of gene therapy can be observed in the long-term effects, in which a monkey who underwent the genetic process developed cancer 6 years after he was treated. The virus that provides the means for delivering genes can also become active even after it's been engineered to be safe, which can cause diseases such as, in the case of Jesse Gelsinger. Jesse Gelsinger demonstrates the harsh effects of gene therapy because he died of multiple organ failure 4 days after the attempted procedure to cure him from ornithine transcarboxylase deficiency. Gene therapy is not an accomplished procedure because these cases have shown that gene therapy can be extremely lethal. The ability of socially engineering human DNA can also have harmful effects on civilization, as I mentioned earlier. With the aid of gene therapy, scientists are able to engineer the perfect human. The power to change people at the cellular level can possibly lead to discrimination and maybe even a second Holocaust. Eugenics is one of the inspirations for for the original Holocaust, in that Hitler attempted to rid the